पहले बाहर में एक दुकान में काम कर रहे थे। उधर से आकर उधर घूम रहे थे, घूमने के स्टेशन में बैठा था। मेरा पर्स मोबाइल सब चोरी होने के बाद ये लोग ला के इधर रखे।
तो यहाँ पे आप क्या करते हैं?
फिर हम पेंटिंग बना रहे हैं।
क्या क्या पेंटिंग बनाते हैं?
घर को सजाने वाला पेंटिंग बनाता है।
अभी आपने क्या क्या बनाया है?
अभी जगन्नाथ और फूल रखने का
बर्तन गमला।
बर्तन गमला ये सब चीज़ बनाया हो। मैं तो हिम्मत नहीं हाराना, लेकिन सब लोग तो हिम्मत हार देते हैं हाथ पाँव रह कर भी। मैं तो कुछ नहीं हो रह कर भी मैं तो हिम्मत नहीं हारा ना। मैं तो सब कुछ करने की सोचता हूँ, लेकिन थोड़ी थोड़ी होता है नहीं और थोड़ा होता नहीं। सबको तो काम करना चाहिए, काम नहीं करने से कौन खाना देगा। किसी के पास तो काम करने से वो तो एक वक्त खाना देगा, नहीं काम करने से कौन खाना देगा। खुद का माँ बाप भी तो नहीं चाहते कि हमारा बच्चा बैठ कर खाना खाए, और बाहर का लोग कैसे देगा एक वक्त खाना।
We are here today at Ekamranile. So this is a beggar rehabilitation center. So it's an initiative by Opus and with collaboration with BMC as well as SSEPD. So we have 92 inmates here, which have 66 males and 26 females here. So that is how it is. As of the vision that we had as part of Opus was to rehabilitate the beggars with PWD, people with disability, and we gave them the necessary skills that was needed. And we have a skill development center at Pokriput in Bhubaneswar, where we train the beggars that we fetch or we get from the rehabilitated centers, and then we train them on subsequent knowledges on subsequent skills, and like suppose incense stick making or home decor stuff or something as in which can be used in a daily day-to-day basis. So on those grounds we've given them the necessary training, and accordingly, as you can see, that they are making good use of it and they're earning their own way of living, and that's how it has been. We are giving this freedom of articulation or artistic thing that they have in themselves. Some of them are good with incense stick making, some of them are good with home decor stuff, some of them are good with other puja materials which they do it. So in that way we go via a process in which we get to know the skills that each individual possesses, and accordingly we map them to specific zones, and accordingly they start making the sticks. And then again, once the material production has been started, those materials and then again given a quoted amount and being sold as well as marketed in rest of the places across the country. As of now, we've started this as a pilot wave, and going forward we're looking for mass productions. And if people's awareness comes into play and a lot of people are willing and we're showing their willingness towards this, so we are planning to move this ahead.